Why is it that even when you give your best, you still feel like you are not good enough? When it seems like everyone around you has it all figured out, but you are stuck wondering, why am I not good enough? When I first entered in college, I thought I would learn skills that would benefit me, and I started participating in various competitions. But instead of gaining confidence, I started questioning myself. It's common in college to get attention if you are good at something or have early exposure to it. In my first few months, I met people who were coding pros, amazing athletes, and just seemed way ahead of me. I couldn't help but compare myself and ask, am I good enough to be here? One day, I was sitting there in the coding lab, staring at 5 problems on my screen. Everyone around me was typing away, their fingers flying over the keys. I couldn't even figure out how to divide a number by 2. By the end of the session, I hadn't solved a single problem. It felt like I had failed myself completely. That day shattered me. I didn't just lose the answers, I lost my confidence. And I started getting low grades. But there is a saying, even the darkest night will end and sun will rise. After all these setbacks and self-doubts, I made a decision. I would rebuild my confidence, work on my communication, improve my storytelling, and dive deep into programming. I realized I was comparing my chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Instead of feeling bad, I decided to learn at my own pace. I started journaling my small wins, solving one top problem, understanding one complex topic, and over time, I saw progress. Success is about persistence, not perfection. And at the end, all I say, no one else is going to save me, no one else going to teach me everything I need to know, but the way I handle challenges today, that's what's building my confidence.